All right, here goes microwave test number 3. Melting butter in a metal bowl. 30 seconds. So what we learned is that metal is actually safe in a microwave. It's the jagged edges and its sharpness that will cause the electricity to arc. But if you have smooth surface metal, it's not a problem. We've been playing around with reheating things in our microwave, and here we were trying to melt butter in a microwave. So that was 30 seconds. It's getting a little bit soft, and what I'm thinking now is that it just needs to be a little bit flatter, but let me try another 20 seconds with this. And that's cold butter out of the fridge. Initial 30 seconds. And I think we're ready to see it get down to be really melty. Voila.